This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the phone model and OS version because options differ across builds. Once done, open the phone app directly and go to its menu or settings gear. This is where call display controls live. Make sure call and display permissions are granted so settings appear. Now, you'll locate the incoming call display option. Don't skip permissions, they determine whether toggles are visible. From here, proceed to the specific incoming call or new call screen control to change the behavior. You will now dive into the call settings. Tap Settings, then Calls or Incoming Calls because manufacturers place the new call screen control there. Once inside, look for labels like Incoming Call UI, New Call Screen, Pop-up or Full Screen Incoming Calls and identify the toggle. If you don't see it, use the Settings search box that often reveals hidden labels. Make sure to read the short explanation under the toggle so you understand the difference between pop-up versus full screen behavior. Flip the toggle off to disable the new call screen. You're switching incoming calls from full screen to a compact notification, which reduces interruptions. Once disabled, test by calling the device from another phone or using your carrier's callback feature to verify the change. If the old screen still appears, clear the phone app cache or reset app preferences and try again. One troubleshooting tip: reboot after changes, because some OEM launchers cache call UI settings and need a restart to apply updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.